Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is using blueprints. To understand how to read blueprints, let's see the first question. Solve, and when we can see the blueprint with the dimensions of the car. It says this is the blueprint of a car. According to the blueprint, what is the width between the wheels? Let's see the blueprint. Now the first image of the car over here shows the total length of the car from end to end, that is from this point to this point, that is 9 feet. If we look at the second picture, it shows the width of the car including the width of the wheels. Let's see the third picture over here. This shows the width of the car from inside, that is the seating capacity. And here this shows the width of the car between the wheels, that is wheels excluded. So 4.5 feet is the width between the wheels as per the blueprint, and it is option A. Let's look at the next question. This is the blueprint of an apartment. According to the blueprint, what is the dimension of the bathroom? Now here we see that we are given the blueprint of a apartment. Now the size of the particular room or area is written where that area is. Now we see that this is a balcony and its dimension is written right here. So the area is written, that is balcony, and the size is written. So this is how we can find out the dimension of any particular area in the blueprint of a house. If we see the bathroom is right here, we locate the bathroom, that is here, and we see that the dimension given is 7 by 6. So 7 by 6 is the dimension of the bathroom and can be seen in option D. Let's look at another blueprint and let's see what we have to find out. This is the blueprint of a traffic circle. According to the blueprint, what is the radius of the inner circle? Now let's see. If we see carefully, the inner circle is right here, where the radius is 47 feet. So A option is correct, but that is the radius of the inner circle is 47 feet. I hope using blueprints is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.